me ask you, G, like, what started all of this?
He told you?
Him not know neither.
My point of view, it looked like the ratty them is like them no one Valley come on first. There's some tussle up going on.
I always tell the truth, even when I lie.
What's good, YouTube? Gang, it's your boy Jambisco. Dan back in the building with another crazy video, another crazy update. Yeah, man, people, you already know what time it is. Yeah, man, people, in today's update, we actually have SKENG and VALIANT involving a physical altercation following only days after popular social media pages and vloggers was praising the new gen dancehall artists for having a different kind of unity compared to previous generations. Yeah, man, people, crazy things happening. May have more of that in the update coming in just a bit. Also, not only that, after the altercation, it looked like SKENG say, yo, you know what, he not take that. So after that, you see that SKENG seemingly take teeth and mic from the event that they was attending following the brawl with all VALIANT. People, it's a crazy situation. Got more updates on that for you as well. Not only that, we have popular podcaster and social media star JaiiFrais from the Let's Be Honest podcast chimes in on the whole situation between VALIANT and SKENG. And basically, I must say, you know, people are speculating if he might blame SKENG for the situation. Yeah, we don't know, people. I'm gonna show you the clip so you can get form your own opinion. Yeah, so we're gonna jump right into the update. But before we get into the update, if you like videos like this, please hit the like and subscribe button. Join the family so you don't miss out on any videos. Yeah, man, people, like me I say, SKENG and VALIANT. Yeah, man, recently got in a scuffle following only days after popular social media pages and vloggers have actually praising this new generation, actually having a different kind of unity compared to others. Take a look. Yeah, man, people, that was a post, one of the posts from social media praising this new generation for the different kind of unity and love for each other that they have. The people that was short-lived, because not even 48 hours later, we got this post this morning. Yeah, we got this received this video on social media showing basically SKENG and VALIANT, the same SKENG and VALIANT that you see previously in the video, basically united, you know what I'm saying, linking, hugging each other and greeting each other, actually involving a physical altercation. It's a crazy situation. Take a look, see what going on. So yeah, man, people, you see the video for yourself right now. What you think? You think that was SKENG and VALIANT involving an altercation? A lot of people are speculating them now, but you know, from the way the video actually looked, it looks like, you know, maybe it was like an entourage. It looked like more like a them group involving an altercation more than the actual artist themselves. But people is left speculating and wondering. People is leaning more towards the artist them actually beefing, because not only after the physical altercation happened, you see this video with SKENG actually leaving the party, because it look like SKENG say, nah, take that, nah, take that, this, and look like he stole the mic from the event. People, take a look. Yeah, man, people, SKENG say him nah take no checking on, man. You see me, nah take no talk. You see me, they nah get back the mic, a bear. You see me, SKENG come like some bad pin. You see SKENG basically I make fun of the whole situation, or the promoter or whoever he was beefing with at the time. You see me basically say they nah get the. We don't know if that actually stopped other artists from performing at the event. We don't know. But yeah, man, SKENG basically take the mic and cut people. But yeah, man, people, shortly after that happened, We also got JaiiFrais. Not only that happened, people, we have JaiiFrais from the Let's Be Honest podcast. He might walk on top, basically chime in on the whole situation. I give him point of view on what he saw at the event and what he said may have caused the whole altercation and situation. So take a look and listen. A lot of people speculating, thinking that JaiiFrais may be blaming SKENG for the situation. We don't know. We're going to play the clip. You can take a look at it, listen to it for yourself, and form your own opinion. Take a look.
That show, and I look a thing going. When I see with my own eyes, so this I don't know when me hear or who tell me this. It's like a man is an entourage beef or is an artist beef. Cause you don't know me and the ratty them cool. You see me? Big up Shaka them, big up Buddha them, John Coop, SKENG.
Yeah.
Ratty them good. Anytime I see them I love.
Big up the ratty them.
You don't know me and the Diplo them a family, you see me?
Yeah.
And we did you know and VALIANT perform, him and Starkey, look at the police them both for lock off the show. I'm not sure. That's the energy me I get from the police them, you know what I mean? And then I look now, I see VALIANT come off of the stage. And I don't want to put out no propaganda, but it's how I see with my eye.
Yeah.
From my point of view, want to listen from my point of view.
Not arbor view.
Not arbor view, no sea view, no mountain view.
Point of view.
My point of view, it look like the ratty them is like them no one valley come on first. There's some tussle up go on till all police get involved and pepper spray go on, and it's like Mr. Jiggy kind of hold him eye certain way. Like
Jiggy you can't see already. Jiggy,
you see me?
You
understand? And then now I see Valley stay some kind of tougher look weird than I see around. I couldn't really see SKENG because the amount of people around him I couldn't even see him. So I don't know if it's a little misunderstanding because the last time me know of these guys, them cool. Now what they was a video with him and Valley and whatever.
Yeah, man, I'm cool, man.
So me no know, bro. But me I tell you this, I was still with my eye.
Yeah.
I was there, you see me?
Car go fix that, man. That's full fix now. You gotta fix tonight.
No, but what me I say though, whether it fix or not fix, you feel like that's something that nice up the place right now because honestly, I'm not gonna say dancehall boring. Dancehall in one good space. The juggling them a juggle.
Yeah, man, people. Yeah, people. What you think about the whole situation? What you think about that clip? What you thought about what JaiiFrais said about the situation? As in, who fault do you think it is? Do you think he was actually trying to blame SKENG or blame, VALIANT? Or are you just trying to clarify the situation? Because he's just giving his point of view. Let me know in that comment. And what you think let me know what you think about the whole situation overall. You know what I'm saying? Very crazy situation, man. Just what we just say, the new generation of dancehall have a different kind of unity. This is happening. It's kind of crazy, you know what I'm saying? The whole crazy situation. I hope SKENG and VALIANT is not actually beefing. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully them actually friends, you see me? And hopefully they can resolve whatever situation go on. But to me, from my opinion, it look like it more have to do with the entourage, the crowd, than the actual artist themselves. Who knows? I could be wrong. You never know. But yeah, man, crazy situation. Hope the artists them can resolve this. You know what I'm saying? And if they can't resolve it, maybe they can take it. You know, maybe they can take it. Take it to the wax. You see me? I say, yeah, take it to the record, take it to the boot, man. You know what I'm saying? Put it on music. You see me? A clash going. SKENG versus VALIANT. One thing. That could have worked. You never know. People drop in the comments in the comment section. You don't know. The boy Jambisco just there. We are watching to see what go on. You don't know. Dancehall a fool thing. You see me? We love dancehall. We love the culture and everything. So that's what we are dealing with. You see me? I say gang. Yeah, drop in the comments. Let's talk about it. And if it, let me know what you think. You see what I say? Whole situation. Do you think they should squash this? They're foolish. Should they, and if they should they take it to a clash? Should they take it to wax? You see what I say? Let me know in the comment section. And who will I bring in a war if that happens? Let me know. Let's talk about it. Let's chat in the comment section. I don't know. The next time, again, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I don't know. I'm out.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.